Hey guys, this is Miss Thompson. We're going to start guided reading from home. Just like I would give you a book at school, I'm going to give you a book each week to read at home or watch on your tablet or your computer, whatever you're using at home, all right? So we're going to do this just like we would do if you were at school coming to my table for guided reading, all right? I'd give you a new book each week, and I'm going to have the same expectations for this book as I would if you were getting one to take home, all right? So I'm going to expect you to try your best to really focus and listen. Make sure you're pointing to your words and make sure you're using your strategies. Are you using your eagle eyes to look at those pictures and make sure, see if those pictures are helping you with the words? Are you using lips the fish to help you figure out that first sound of the word if you're stuck? Stretchy snake, are you stretching out those words to figure it out? So make sure you're using your strategies, and I'm expecting you to know your sight words and read them on your own with as little help as possible. Now, there are some words you might need some help with, and if you do, that's okay. But I want you to try by yourself first, all right? So, what I'm going to do is I read this story is I'm going to turn the pages. And when I get to the page, I want you to press the pause button, all right? The pause button is the button with the two white lines. When you hit the pause button, then you're going to read the page. When you're done reading, then press play, the sideways triangle, right? Press play, and then the page will turn for you to read the next page. I'm not going to read the pages for you. All right, so here we go. The title of your story is What Shape Am I? It's written by Miranda Kelly. What shape am I? This book is a level B. It does tell you down here, guided reading, level B. All right, it's the same level that I would give you if you were at the guided reading table. Okay, so here we go. What shape am I? All right, guys, I hope you read this book and you enjoyed it. Make sure you read this every day, and I'll give you a new book next week. Bye.